Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Plasticity, Freecad, and Fusion 360. These three tools are often discussed in the world of CAD and 3D design, but they are actually serve very different types of users. So if you've been wondering on which is the best one for you in 2025, stick around because you're going to cover everything from what they are, their features, pricing, pros and cons, and finally which one might be the best for your needs. Now let's get started. Plasticity is the newest kid on the block compared to other two. It's often described as a blender for CAD because it combines the precision of CAD with the flexibility and smooth workflow of polygonal modeling. Instead of being a traditional parametric CAD tool like Freecad or Fusion 360, Plasticity is more focused on concept modeling, product visualization, and industrial design. Think of it as a fast, intuitive tool for creatives who want CAD precision without getting bogged down by endless parameters. Freecad, on the other hand, is the open source powerhouse. It's a fully parametric, feature-based CAD tool, and because it's open sourced, it's completely free. It's widely used by hobbyists, engineers, and educators who want a customizable tool that's not locked behind subscriptions. Freecad has a steeper learning curve and its interface can feel dated, but it offers incredible flexibility, especially if you're someone who likes to tweak, script, or modify your workflow. Now, Fusion 360 is the industry-grade solution by Autodesk. It combines CAD, CAM, and CAE into one platform. This makes it highly attractive to professionals, startups, and even large companies. Fusion 360 is cloud connected, meaning your projects are accessible across devices, and it has powerful simulation, manufacturing, and collaboration tools. It's much more polished and user-friendly than Freecad, but it comes with recurring costs that can add up over time. So to summarize, Plasticity is all about speed and creative modeling, Freecad is all about open source freedom and parametric control, and Fusion 360 is the all-in-one professional package. Now, what are the main features of these platforms? We start with Plasticity. Hybrid CAD and modeling tool that bridges the gap between NURBS modeling and polygonal workflows. It is super lightweight, fast, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary menus. It is focused on concept design and visualization rather than manufacturing-ready parametric modeling. Exports clean geometry for use in other software like Blender, Keyshot, or rendering tools. It is also great for designers and artists who want CAD precision but an artist-friendly workflow. How about Freecad? Fully parametric modeling system with constraints-based design. Modular architecture, different workbenches for mechanical design, architecture, firm analysis, and more. It is open sourced and community driven with lots of plugins and scripts available. And it works on different platforms. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is geared more toward engineering, technical drawings, and precise control. And the features of Fusion 360? It is a full CAD, CAM, and CAE integration, meaning that you can design, you can simulate, and manufacture all in one place. Cloud-based collaboration and version control. Parametric, direct, freeform, and mesh modeling all available in one platform. And there are advanced features like generative design, PCB integration, and machining. There's also a large library of tutorials and professional supports, making onboarding much easier. What is the pricing like? For Plasticity, there is a free 30 days trial version that you can try. But there's an indie plan thereafter at $175, and there's a studio plan at $299 US plus local taxes. Freecad is always free, 100%, no subscription, no licensing fees. It's open source, so the only cost is your time to learn it. And Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion costs $680 per year. So cost-wise, Freecad wins if you want a free version of this. Plasticity is more affordable if you like one-time payments, and Fusion 360 is the most expensive, but also the most feature-rich. What are the pros and cons of these platforms? For Plasticity, intuitive and creative workflow, affordable pricing, perfect for quick concept models. The pros of Freecad is 100% free and open sourced, highly customizable with plugins and scripts. And the pros of Fusion 360, all-in-one CAD, CAM, and CAE. and professional grade and widely used in industries. How about the cons? For Plasticity, not as feature-rich as traditional CAD, and it lacks parametric modeling depth. For Freecad, there's a steep learning curve and clunky interface, and it is less polished compared to commercial tools. And for Fusion 360, the subscription can get really expensive over time, and it requires internet access for full functionality. So, which one should you choose in 2025? If you are a creative designer, a concept artist, or someone who values speed and workflow over technical depth, Plasticity is an amazing choice. If you are an engineer, a hobbyist, or a student who wants a free yet powerful parametric modeling tool, Freecad is unbeatable. And if you are a professional, a freelancer, or a company that needs advanced CAD, CAM, and CAE all in one polished package, then Fusion 360 is the way to go. And that's it on the comparison of these three platforms. The best depends entirely on your needs. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SolidWorks, Rhino 3D, and Onshape. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.